Artificial intelligence is already transforming lives and organizations. It brings a huge potential and some challenges as well. For example, as a tool, it can be used for good or bad. That still depends on our intentions. One good application is to improve performance, especially bringing people and companies to hyperperformance, to a state where all the useless human thinking is minimized or removed completely, such as poor judgments, destructive thoughts, subjective biases, and bad decisions. Yes, hyperperformance is not about adding more trainings, but rather removing obstacles from the human minds. Something like freeing a garden from the weeds, or removing bugs from an algorithm. Sounds quite easy, right? So why it is not a common practice yet? Because it is another obstacle in how we think collectively. We have used to seek simple, fast, and easy solutions, such as adding more skills, sending employees to a training or inspirational talks. What do we get as a result? More capable people with the same invisible barriers in their minds. Does it lead to hyperperformance? No. So how can we get better at finding and removing these obstacles? There are tools now emerging to help managers doing that. Some tools are more efficient than others. And artificial intelligence can facilitate this efficiently. For example, it can help monitoring human behaviors, find and recognize repeating patterns, compare observations and apply deep learning, distill insights from a large data sets, and so on. Artificial intelligence helps us to learn more about ourselves, who we really are, how we think, and what we do. Like a huge mirror that reveals the smallest details of our human nature. That helps us to know more about our own intelligence. Where does it come from and how it works? That would give us a unique chance to finally unite both intelligences, to reunite them, actually. In fact, we have been separating them for decades. That has increased unnecessary tension. Thus, many see artificial intelligence as something alien, which is not true. We have been accumulating intelligence for centuries through the innovations of writing, printing, libraries, internet. So artificial intelligence is just the next advancement on this path. Another contributor of intelligence to the same collective effort. Basically, two sources that co-create united intelligence. One coming from the humans, the other coming from technology. Once they work in sync, we have arrived to the human artificial intelligence, a man-machine symbiosis, a human technology coevolution, a state where we leverage computing power to foster our evolution, rather than falling behind the technological progression, thus degrading our community. To conclude, let's keep the balance right between the pace of technological advancements and human evolution. And let's apply that towards hyperperformance in our lives and organizations.